Hello, everybody, and I'm the Successful Electronics. I just want to tell you the reason I have not posted video for a long time right now is about 2 months now, and I've not made any post or any video. I want to say I'm very sorry. It's about my father's case. I'm actually in the hospital, so actually in the hospital. The hospital, okay. It's the gate. Yeah, the hospital right there. Yeah. I'm actually in the hospital, so I'm unable. I'm not at home right now, so I'm unable to make videos. So I want to say I'm so sorry. Though when my father is strong and healthy back home, then I can start making videos for you. I plan on making a video. It's actually of the interfacing with the IR receiver. I'm planning on making that video, but the me being in the hospital taking care of my dad is restricting me from making videos. So I'm very sorry for not posting about 2 months for now. But promise, I promise to make videos as soon as I'm out of the hospital immediately. Thank you very much for considering my situation, and bye for now. Do well to support.